Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off the function for reading our caller's name aloud in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. To turn off this function, we have to go to Settings first, then we are looking for Accessibility options, and here we have Interaction and Dexterity. Now, under Answering and Ending Calls, at the top we have, as you can see, Read Caller Names Aloud function enabled. We can change option to read over headphones or Bluetooth only, or to choose to always read it. But we want to turn it off, so we simply uncheck this box right here, and now this function is turned off. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.